This is a short video which shows how you install MX73 on a Vista computer. When you're running Windows XP it's very similar, but Vista has a few tricks, and it's always absolutely essential to use the Run as Administrator feature in Vista to install the software. This is the actual first page of the website, which shows you a little note on installing on Vista. Can you move to the next page now? This is the link to the page which shows where we actually do the installation from. And there's a link here which you click to get the software from the internet. And we want to save it, so click save. It's absolutely essential you save it, and it asks you where you want to save it, and you save it in the downloads place, so click save and that will save it. And as we've already done this before, because this is not the first time we've attempted to do this video, you have to answer a question whether do you want to overwrite a file that's already there. The answer is yes. If anybody's wondering why the header of the video shows Venice and what's that got to do with MX73, it's just that it's the only picture I've got of that shape that was available. And when it gets to the end and it's there, just close that, because we're not going to run it from there. Now come down to this Windows Start button, click that, and then click James, which is all my documents, and then you'll see Downloads there. Click that. I think you might need to double click it on this machine. And we then have, now instead of left clicking this as you would normally do, right click it. Now you've moved, you're not actually on the thing, just right click again. There you see Run as Administrator. Hang on, just let's let for the computer, let the cameras get it right. Run as Administrator, and click that, and then we now get Run. Now you'll notice that we don't have a certificate on the program as yet, but we're all a sensible organisation. Click Run, and as we're on Vista it wants you to know whether you can have got permission to do this, so click Allow, and we're now on the full installation of the software, so click Next. This is where you want to store it, so click Next again, and then Next to, and then Next, and finally Install. At any one of those times you can go backwards if you want to. And then we click Run, and that's it, and we are now, the program is now starting. In this case it's starting with a nice picture of the City of London. And that is the installation program for MX73.